Best deals. These are some of the cookware set, which are durable, strong and offers a versatile usage while cooking food. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Cookware set. Comes in appealing designs that gives elegant look to your kitchen. It leaves appetizing grill stripes on the food which in turns give crispness. It has a 3-layered non-stick coating to save you from the hassles of sticky cooking experience. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Modak Maker. Multi-purpose, as you can use the pot for cooking without the steamer. Dishwasher safe. Tempered glass laid with steam release, smooth mirror finish for lustrous appearance. Its hollow stay cool stainless steel handles enables using the steamer effortlessly. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Anodized Handy. Cookware is non-toxic, scratch-resistant, durable, non-reactive and corrosion-proof. Comes with steel lid to protect covering of food and also to reduce the cooking time. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Flat Tawa. Features pure coat technology that makes the utensil smoother to use and easier to wash. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Serving bowls. They are food contact safe, microwave safe, and dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Milk pan. Perfect to warm milk, prepare soup, boil eggs, cook noodles, melt butter, rustle up tadka for dal, and much more. Its compact size makes it ideal to prepare baby food, reheat leftovers, or prepare food for a single serving. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Grill pan. It is made with a flat bottom which allows it to be placed evenly over heat source. Suitable for use on induction and gas cookers. To be used in low flame. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Cookware set. The base is thick and flat which ensures even heat distribution while cooking. Helps in saving energy by boiling at a faster rate. The food remains fresh and retains the taste given its quality. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Paniyaram pan. Enhances the quality of your dishes by adding a distinct flavor. Cook crispy and yummy varieties of paniyarams. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Tadka pan. Adds iron content to your meals that helps fight iron deficiency. Effortlessly cook your favorite dishes. Suitable for gas stoves, OTGs and campfires. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Fry pan. Stay cool stainless steel handles designed for comfortable handling even when the pan is hot. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Non-stick casserole set. Make wholesome nutritious healthy dishes including gravies, veg, kofta, palak paneer, noodles, Manchurian, chicken curry and much more. Ergonomically designed soft touch handles and knob provide a firm grip. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Milk pot. Featuring a wooden handle, this milk pot offers a comfortable and safe grip while cooking. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Casserole. Made with a flat bottom which allows it to be placed evenly over heat source. Suitable for use on induction and gas cookers. To be used in low flame. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Casserole. Made from pure grade aluminium for faster and even cooking, never deform, and hence make ideal cook and serve. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Cast iron cookware. High quality cast material heats quickly, evenly and retains heat longer, suitable for all cooktops including induction. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Pressure cooker. Ergonomically and aesthetically designed, easy grip, stay cool handle. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Milk pot. Constructed with high-quality stainless steel for long-lasting durability. Works seamlessly on induction, gas or electric hobs for flexible cooking options. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Grill pan. The robust cast iron build with a sturdy wooden handle ensures durability and long-lasting. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Frappan. High-quality cast material heats quickly, evenly and retains heat longer. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Iron pan. Features a generously sized wood handle. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Cookware set. Made of tough construction with a 3-layered bottom of 8 mm thickness. This prevents food burning and sticking issues. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Steamer set. Healthy cooking is steaming vegetables maximizes nutrient retention and flavor. Tempered glass laid with steam release smooth mirror finish for lustrous appearance. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Cookware set. Compatible with various cooktops, including gas, halogen, electric, vitro-ceramic, and induction, offering versatility. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Idli cooker. Built from 100% stainless steel which allows it to be a longer lasting product in your kitchen, pot enhances its durability. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Clay pot. Mirror finished in natural white firing shade earthen pot is rubbed thoroughly with stone which imparts that mirror finishing to the product. Also firing, baking of the product is done in a special way that results in white shading effect. 100% organic and natural, zero use of chemicals and colors that imparts uniform reddish color to the finished product. Benefits: clay is somewhat porous so heat and moisture circulate through the pot, unlike metal and enamel pots, therefore it is perfect for slow cooking without overheating. This helps retain all the natural vitamins and minerals of the food. Clay pots add many essential nutrients like calcium, phosphorus, iron, magnesium and sulfur to food. Clay is alkaline in nature, hence it interacts with the acidity in the food and neutralizes the pH balance, thereby reducing the common stomach problems that even youngsters in the grab of due to excessive consumption of fast foods. Clay contains all the possible vitamins, even vitamin B12. Can also be used as a superb tableware for serving and storage. Compatible with gas stoves, microwave ovens and traditional chulhas, clay pots can help food retain nutrients, aroma, and flavor. Clay is alkaline, which helps neutralize the pH balance of food. Clay pots are also non-stick, which can help reduce oil usage. Clay pots are made from natural materials and are biodegradable. Clay cookware is ideal for all forms of cooking with any kind of ingredients. The only limitation is deep frying, as clay does not allow oil to heat up to the extent for deep frying like pakoras, samosas. Clay cookware that is thick and heavy, as this will help to retain heat and ensure even cooking. Thicker cookware is also less likely to crack or break during cooking. Clay pots are typically made using traditional techniques that have been passed down through generations of potters. Product link is given in the 26th link.